Well, good morning. This is day 7. It's a Monday, and I've been calling it the Tasmanian Tour of 2025, but it's actually, the correct name is the Diemans Expedition Tour of 2025. So here we are, it's Monday morning. We're just leaving Port Arthur now, and we're heading up to Bicheno for lunch, and then we're going to be ending the day at St Helens, which is right at the north of the east coast. It is raining, as you can see, at the minute, but hopefully that won't last for very long, and yeah, we can enjoy the riding. It'll be a good day.
I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall.
Come very far this morning, but we're just going to do a quick refuel here, and we're going back to Denali. I think that's how you pronounce it. We stopped there for sort of lunch or something to eat yesterday, and we're just heading back there because we didn't have any breakfast at the motel. So we'll do a quick refuel here and then on our way. Well, we are just a little bit delayed going through these roadworks. It's just about come to an end. This is just outside of Denali. I did notice on the map there was a forest drive. I'll have to ask Alex if he's ever been up that road. It looked like it might cut out this corner so we wouldn't have to go back towards Sorel, but not too sure if it's sealed all the way. Anyway, we're just about out of this roadworks and we'll be back on track.
Rolling thunder, calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Midnight highway, shining just like sin. Why don't you hear me wonder? Tell me, river, where your current flows.
Right, well, we've just stopped for a mid-morning break at the Horny Cray takeaway in Swansea. We've done about 180 k's this morning, something like that. It's been pretty good riding, a couple of light showers, but wasn't too wet. We've got another about 40 k's to go to get up to Bicheno, where we'll stop and have some lunch. Okay, coming down to our lunch stop, which is at the Lobster Shack. We're in Bicheno. Okay, well, we're going to turn off this coastal road and head up to the St Mary's Road. It's a nice twisty road that goes up, and then I think we'll once we get to St Mary's, we'll probably turn around and then not come down this road, but there's another road that comes down into St Helens. I'll just sit at the back here and hopefully I can get you some shots. Following Trevor here. Trevor's from South Australia and he's got a GS 850, I think it is. Oldest rider on the tour at, hope it's okay to say your age, Trev. It's I think he's 72, he said he was.
Boss man count his tally, we just count our turn. Fair don't come easy, I had to stand and fight for mine.
A few rocks and things on the road, aren't there? Not too bad. Traffic.
Oh Lord, hear me now. Working, better day, keep me warm. Talk about difference, but I just see the same. Every heart need kindness, every soul need a name, and we're deep. Children laughing somewhere, sounds of better days. Keep the light inside you, don't let the darkness stay.
Nice. Following Nick down through here. It's coming down from St Mary's back down to the coast road. Nice and dry, grip's pretty good. Traffic on this road, more than on the other side of the hill. This is probably the preferred road, I would think. A little bit wider. It's in the sunshine a little bit more than the other one was. Just coming into St Helens now at the end of day 7 on the Monday. A little bit of a wet start in Port Arthur this morning, but the weather this afternoon has been magic. Good mix of roads, some nice fast roads and some nice twisty roads up to St Mary's and back. This will be our overnight stop, and then we have another, I'd call it the final day of riding tomorrow, when we leave St Helens and head back across to Devonport to get on the ferry. Now, somewhere in this town, on the same day, the same night, the Charlie Borman tour of Tasmania will be staying here somewhere. So I wonder what the chances are of running into Charlie Borman in the middle of Tasmania.
Light burn uneven, let the shadows play. Yeah, the porch light burn uneven, keep the night from drifting away. If this ain't heaven, it'll do for today.